Part 3, Turkish get-up. With the kettlebell on the floor, halfway between your shoulder and your hip. Undergrip the kettlebell, roll towards it, overgrip it. Pull it towards your chest as you roll to your back. Thumbs side, press to the ceiling. Seat the shoulder, bend the knee, straighten the leg, arm at 45. I'm going to push into my leg, roll to the side, crunch, up to the elbow and hand. Now, I'm going to use my feet and this back hand. I'm going to press into that triangle, sending my hips to the ceiling, making a straight line from the kettlebell to the back arm. Now I take this foot and I bring it through, setting it down. Should be halfway between my hand and my foot. Don't look. Keep your eyes on the kettlebell. Now, this foot, the only foot you're going to be able to pick up, steps 90 degrees. This is key. Now, I push my hip forward and straighten my arm. Push my hip back, set this hand to the ground, step back 90 degrees, stick the leg through. Now my butt lowers to the floor, elbow, shoulder, shoulder. Thumbs in, pull it to your center, roll towards it, set it down. Excellent. I'm going to do it on the other side so you can see it again. Kettlebell to the side, you reach underneath, roll, overgrip it, pull it to your chest, roll to your back, two-handed press to the ceiling. Whatever hand the kettlebell's in, that's the leg that's bent. Straight leg, 45 degrees. Press into the foot, crunch, press into the hand, eyes on the kettlebell. Lift the hips to the ceiling. Both arms are in lockout. Straight line from the kettlebell to the floor. Pick up the leg, pull it through and set the knee. Step the other foot 90 degrees. Shift the body to straighten. Kick the hip back. Straight line from the ceiling to the floor. 90 degree step. Kick the leg through. Lower. Lower to the elbow. Shoulder, shoulder. Two hands to the center and down. This piece of it is quite likely one of the most difficult piece. It is the high windmill, right, from our knees. If you go from a lunge position with your hand overhead, kick the hip over and place the hand. Pull the hip back. You'll find this is the same. Now, if the leg is over here, you will not be able to do it. So when you bring that leg through and plant, with no weight on that leg, you should be able to pick it up. Step it 90 degrees. Hip comes forward, straight. There it is. Just a bit to go.